Hi guys, I am here to share with you the new releases for this week. I'm going to go ahead and apologize for the fact that my printer and machines are kind of going in the background. If you hear noises, that's what they are, and I'm not going to stop them because they're getting work done. So I apologize. We're just going to keep on going. I also am not going to show you glossy and removable matte. I'm just going to show you the glossy because I just decided from now on I'm just going to pull my kit that I'm going to put in my kit storage, which is going to be glossy. And so I'm just going to show you the glossy kits from now on, but please know that we do have removable matte. I'll keep reminding you guys, removable matte kits are $15 for the bundle and glossy is $18. So glossy is the premium, but the color richness is way nicer, and that's what you're paying for. But if you want the removable aspect and you prefer writing on matte because that is an easier writing service for a lot of people, then I would go with the removable. So I'm going to go ahead and jump in. I'm going to show the first one, which I teased on my Instagram quite a few times on Insta stories, and this is PSL, which is Pumpkin Spice Latte. I love this art. I especially love this breakfast scene, and I also love like the Netflix kind of planner ice cream Netflix. I feel like a lot of us probably, do that. So I just really love this kit and the aesthetic. These are the colors. It's very orangey. I did put in this brown to kind of tie in that wood. And I feel like this is very, I don't know, it's very fall to me. This color is really pretty. It's more of a peach, so it's not just like orange, orange, orange. It's more of a pinky orange, and so I really like the color scheme. Here are I guess since it's the first kit, I should probably go through this. Sorry guys. 8 full boxes. We have our sidebar items, 8 bow dividers, these squared off and rounded tiny labels, appointment labels, fancy labels, and bubble boxes. Glitter headers, pattern washi, solid washi, and deco. I love this tray of cookies. I think that's super cute. This is the date covers, a movie marquee, flags, some more appointment labels, and then your 2 different 15mm solid and pattern, and you'll see that you do have an overlay that you can choose to go on either of those. The next page is your bigger boxes, so here are your 8 half boxes, your 8 quarter boxes, and your 8 third boxes. And your last page has the regular size full boxes. These ones weren't tall girls, so the format's a little bit different. If I don't do tall, they'll be like this format, and if I do tall, you'll see the tall ones in the next two kits. But this is just regular size fashion girl boxes with some extra quarter boxes and your checklist boxes. So that is PSL. I'm going to go through the next kits a little quicker. I forgot that I need to go through the format. That is the sticker portion, and then Pumpkin Spice Latte comes with gold foil overlays, and so for the overlays, this first sheet you get these date covers to go on those paint strokes. You get 2 full boxes, a canceled, or rescheduled, a canceled, this little bow divider, which is just a tall skinny strip. Let me show you. And then these 2 are similar to those. You can just put those up and down a full box to kind of add a little bit of foil. There are 4 corners here, and then there are 4 of the lines, 4 of the bows, and 4 of the heart corners. A weekend banner, the falling bows strip, and then your 2 15mm washi strips. The second sheet has your glitter confetti overlays, your bow header overlays, and all of your icons. Instead of doing little things, we give you enough meals, TVs, and various icons to kind of make your own littles throughout the kit because I include so many small and large labels. So that is the kit. This bundle in glossy, like I said, for these 8 sheets, is $18, and for the matte is $15. Both of them, though, you're going to get the clear glossy foiled overlays. Pumpkin Spice Latte is gold. Alright, next kit is this really cute one called Pumpkin, and I also like the colors of this one. I love the blue, and this scene probably, I think that's what did with me with the art. Also the wagon, the boots, and like apple butter. My family loves playing cornhole, so that was an essential for me to put in here. And I'm trying the best I can to not do too many like fashion girl faces and things on the main full boxes, because I know some people don't like those. So I've been trying to be more cautious of that, and then putting the fashion girls as kind of an add-on at the back. So some of them have them, but not as much like faces and things like that, because I know there are some of you out there who don't like that. So these are the full boxes, the smaller functionals, the washies, the date covers and bottom washi, the larger boxes, and then here are your tall fashion girl. This is the other format I was talking about. So when they're tall, you only get 3, and then just your checklist surrounding. And I love that girl too. Probably one of my favorite fashion girls for fall. So that is the pumpkin kit, and this kit is rose gold. So you get the same overlays, but in rose gold to go with this kit, and it is going to be so pretty. So that is pumpkin, and then the last kit that is coming out this week is autumn. And I really like this cat, and it's funny because I'm not a cat person, but I just think this is super cute. When cats are cuddly and nice like that, I'm all for it, but 99% of the time that cat would scratch my hand after I gave it loves. So I really like this. I really like all the fashion-y elements without having just like girls on it. So you can see like there are 1, 2, 3, 4 elements with girls, but it's different parts of, you know, their body and hands and feet and different activities. So I feel like it gives the kit a little bit more dimension. So that is the full boxes. Here's the color scheme. If I had to pick my favorite color scheme, I think it'd be this one. This is a very like fall to me. Like this is the colors that I think about, because I feel like in Oregon we kind of get shades of all of this during the fall. So here is the washi, bottom washi date covers, the larger boxes, and then here are the fashion girls. And again, I went with the taller ones just because when they have a really cute outfit like this, I want to kind of show it off to you guys. So I went with the larger fashion girls on autumn as well. So that is it. That is those are the 3 kits that you can get. Oh, I forgot to tell you, this guy is also going to come with gold, is the foil. So autumn had gold, pumpkin had rose gold, and pumpkin spice latte had gold. I didn't get any silver. Silver for me, I feel like it's hard during the fall because I just gravitate toward gold and rose gold, and I feel like a lot of people do. So those are the 3 new releases. Let me put those out here for you guys to see. Those are the 3 new releases, and I also do want to show you, this is the freebie that's going with all orders placed this weekend, at least probably till next new releases is kind of what I think every Friday. I'm going to try to change this up as frequently as I can. And this one is all pumpkin spice latte themed, so you have the little pints of ice cream, the pumpkin spice Ray Dunn cups, and then 3 Netflix orange and silver Netflix laptops. So that is the basic freebie that's coming with all orders until next new releases. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you can pick something up. If you're looking for a coupon code, definitely go follow our PR design team on Instagram. I have tagged a bunch of them in the past, and I will try to leave their handles down below. If you're looking for somebody, definitely go use one of their codes. You also get an exclusive freebie. I'm going to show that in another video of all of their freebies, and they are foiled, so definitely go check them out. I will see you guys in the next one. Bye, guys.